In this video today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make $10 in about 15 minutes over and over again. And some good extra spending money for you guys to do with whatever you want to do with, alright? So get ready. We're going to get you started on that video here right now. Okay, guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel, YouTube channel that you see. And if this is your first time here to my videos, what we do here is anything to do with making money online, affiliate marketing videos, anything in kinds of how-to videos that have to do with making money online. If this is your first time here or you've been here before and you still haven't yet subscribed to my channel, well, don't waste any more time. Just reach down there right now while you're thinking about it and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell, the notification bell, so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Alrighty, guys, well, with all that to do out of the way, let's go ahead and get started into today's video. And this is a really easy way to do. I'm not sure whether this can be done worldwide or not. It's something that you'll have to look into. I haven't seen anything on this particular site that says that you can or that you can't. So I'm just not real sure. They don't talk about it. But anyways, we're going to come over here to this website right here. It's called Crowdology, as you see right up here at the top. And if you look right here at the address bar up here, it's crowdology.com. Crowdology.com. And you see here that you get paid for sharing your opinions, a little extra, and you can get paid up to $10 for every survey you complete. So you can spend it on the things that you love or the things that you want to spend it on. Yeah, free to sign up. Doesn't cost anything to sign up. You can click up here at the top or right down here. And as we look down through here a little bit more about it, it says you can make a little extra money on the side and treat yourself and those close to you as well. It says we're experienced in working with leading brands who want to know what you think about their products and services. That's why we pay you for every single survey that you complete, helping you to make a little extra on the side to spend as you wish, whether it's a treat for someone close to you or something nice for yourself. And its Crowdology surveys are quick and easy to fit into your day. Our online surveys typically take between 2 and 15 minutes to complete. Alrighty, so and it says they're easy to fit in your day, whether you're filling in time on your journey to work or during a break or whatever, and so on and so forth. And you can earn money from day one. As soon as you sign up, it says right here the amount that you get paid depends on the length and the type of survey you take part in, starting from 40 cents all the way up to $10 and even more. Some of them will even reach up to $24, I think is what I saw in here earlier. And it says, and you can withdraw your money through PayPal as soon as your balance reaches just $8. I would think you can make that pretty quick. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you definitely want to make sure that you have that. It's free to create one. Just go to paypal.com and sign up for PayPal, and it's free. Choose just a personal account. You don't need to choose a business account or anything like that. Just choose your personal account. Now, I recommend using the same email address that you sign up with PayPal. You want to use that same email address when you sign up here at Crowdology to do your surveys here. And they'll pay by PayPal, and they'll also give you Amazon gift cards, and they got what they call G codes right here. I'm not real sure what that is, but it's probably some sort of another type of gift card or something like that. And it says leading brands are ready and waiting to hear your opinions. And surveys cover a wide range of topics and brands, from what you think about the food you eat to things you couldn't live without on holiday. It's your opinions on everyday things that count, so we'll pay you for giving your views. And then right here it says you can even win prizes as an added bonus here. At Crowdology, we also like to treat our members to regular competitions with great prizes like an Apple Watch or even an iPad. How about that? Take a look at our blog for more about our recent prize giveaways and winner stories, and we can click on that. But if we come up here and click on their surveys here, it takes us over to this page here. It says our surveys take just minutes to complete. Whether you have just a couple of minutes to spare or a bit of time, Crowdology offers paid online surveys that fit in with your day and generally take between 2 to 15 minutes to complete. And your responses will help brands improve what they offer. So it could be, a lot of different companies that have products and on their website, and they want to know how easy it is for you to use their website, how well you like the products if you purchased them, and so on and so forth. They want your opinion so that you can help them better their websites and their products as well. Your survey responses, which are fully anonymous, help brands and companies to improve their products and services, and sometimes feature in articles that appear in newspapers and magazines as well. And you can see they give engaging surveys, cash rewards, current topics, real companies, and they're quick to complete. And here's some tips to maximize your earning potential. Mark Crowdology emails as safe, so you want to make sure that when you sign up here, you want to make sure that you whitelist their emails in your email program or in your webmail or whatever you're using. You want to whitelist the email address so that it doesn't go to your spam folder and you miss out on making an opportunity to make 10 or however many dollars you could make with that particular survey. So as soon as you register, remember to mark your emails from Crowdology as safe or whitelist it so that our paid surveys don't end up in your junk, spam, or promotion folders. And they should all come from the same email address, so this should be simple to do. You just want to complete your company profile. The more information that you provide, we have you including age and where you live and the kinds of things you like doing, the more relevant surveys they can send you, meaning more money to spend on things that you love. And then you can respond. We hate you to miss out. Some of our surveys have an expiration date on it, and some are particularly popular. So it's worth checking your email regularly to make sure that you get a chance to fill each one out and maximize how much that you can earn with Crowdology here. It says, why do we run paid surveys? Let's say a company wants to improve the way their website works and how easy it is for you to find out what you're looking for, and so on and so forth. And they do have some frequently asked questions here. They got the rewards here, and we can click on that and you start earning straight away. There's no waiting time. As soon as you sign up, you can start making money immediately with this particular website. And the leading brands want to know what you think. I think we read that. G codes here. Instant rewards everywhere. It says what G codes is. I'm not real familiar with G codes myself, but yeah, PayPal and Amazon, and they don't do points. There's no points here. It's all straight cash or gift cards or prizes such as a smartwatch or an Apple iPad or whatever in their little competitions that they have. It says here, fiddly point schemes don't work for us. That's why we pay you for each online survey you take part in, ranging from 40 cents to $10 and even more, and so on and so forth. And you can start earning money quickly right away here. Now if we come over to their frequently asked questions here and we click on rewards and payment here, and we see here that at Crowdology we believe in keeping our rewards simple and our payment process straightforward. Each survey has a cash incentive at the beginning along with the estimated time to complete the survey. You can cash out your rewards to your PayPal account from as little as $8, or if you prefer, as a $10 Amazon gift certificate or gift card. And it talks about how much can you expect to earn completing. If we look down through here, rewards vary depending on the length of the survey you complete, and our longest studies pay up to $10, while the majority of our Coffee Quick surveys pay from 24 cents to $2. So the more frequent that you do those, enabling you to quickly build up your balance. So if you knocked out $2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, you knocked out 5 surveys in a short period of time, then you've made $10 right there in that one sitting. Or if you can do like 20 surveys, and it just goes more than that. That's up to $20 you can do. You could just do this as like $20 a day, and do 10 surveys a day, anywhere from about 5 to 10 to 15 minutes at a time, and knock those out, you could make a good chunk of little extra spending money there for yourself. And it says, will I be rewarded for every survey I complete? And the answer is yes. Every survey you fully complete will earn a cash reward. And then when will the rewards be credited? Rewards are instant for most surveys, and you will see them added to your balance upon completion. So it just, you'll get like a back office here. You're going to have a little bit of a back office where you'll be able to see all your settings and rewards and surveys you've completed and so on and so forth that you can work with. And it says, how do I redeem my rewards here? Rewards are redeemed via cash, by PayPal, or as Amazon gift certificates. You simply log into your account dashboard, click on rewards to view your balance, select Amazon or PayPal to redeem your rewards via your preferred method. And payments are sent to your email address you use to receive surveys. Amazon gift certificates are sent directly to your inbox. So PayPal transactions sent to PayPal account registered with your email address. So you want to, it says right here, if your PayPal account uses a different email address, you need to link your Crowdology email in the PayPal account settings menu. So that's why I recommend you use the same email that you have for your PayPal account on Crowdology here when you sign up. So it keeps everything congruent, right? You guys hear me talk about being congruent a lot. Keep everything together and make it easier for them and for you as well. How long will it take to receive my cash? PayPal transfers appear in your account within 2 business days of requesting. And then it says, do I need a PayPal? And it's yes, we exclusively use PayPal because it's efficient, popular, and well respected, it says right there. And can I have a different email address? One for my PayPal account. Your Crowdology and PayPal email addresses need to be the same. So there you go. Just what I was telling you. Make sure that's the same email address for both places. All right? Will I be charged for using PayPal? Well, PayPal does charge 2% handling fee. So what's 2% of $2? I don't know. What is that? 2% of $2 is what? 20 cents, I think? I might be off on that. I have to get the calculator out for that. But not very much anyway. So guys, that's what I had for you here today. You can come over here to Crowdology at crowdology.com here and get signed up and start making you some quick extra spending money. Alrighty? Well guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to reach down there and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell there so you get notified. And also, if you want to start your own online business and get it set up online in affiliate marketing, where you can make high ticket sales, then you want to reach down there and click that link where it says mentorwithkev.com there in the top of my description, and come over and check out what all is available for you at the back of my funnel there to get your online business set up in about 15 short days or steps. Alrighty guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care and have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.